Welcome to Smart Kids. We are going to learn new lesson 4.3 Our Resources. Natural resources are termed as resources which are not man-made. Natural resources are found in or are produced by nature. Children, nature is, you all know, nature resources are not made by man-made. It is made by nature. Hills, forests, rivers and seas are natural resources. Children, we can see hills, forests, rivers and seas. They are natural resources. They are made by natural. We find water in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. Children, every day we drink water. But water is a natural resources. Water is made by nature. It is not a man-made. But there is more water on the earth than land. Children, there is more water on the earth than land. Children, in our world, there is more quantity of water other than land. All these water bodies are important to us. All these water bodies are very important to us. We get seafood from the oceans and sea. Children, we eat seafood, na, fish, prawns. We eat fish, na. So seafood we get from oceans and seas. You can see in this picture there is a sheep, forest, animals and man-made things are there in this picture. Many kinds of rocks and minerals are found on the earth. Many kinds of rocks and minerals are found on the earth. The rock break down to form sand and soil. Forests are group of trees covering vast areas of land. Children, you know rocks and we get there are so many trees in a forest. That is the vast area of land. There are the homes of wild animals. Different types of trees grow in the forest. We get wood, paper and medicine from the trees. The trees in the forest also make the air pure by giving out oxygen. Plants, rocks, land and water are some of nature's gifts to us. Plants, rocks, land and water are some of nature gifts to us. Children, we can see minerals. Minerals also we found on the earth and forest. Trees, you can see there are so many trees in a forest. That is the home of wild animal. But we get fruits, vegetable, medicine from the plants. From the trees we get wood, paper and medicine. Now we will come to man-made resources. We use many man-made objects like books, clothes, toys, shoes, desks and benches every day. That is made by man-made. Roads, railway, national parks, aeroplanes, buildings, monuments, factories and canals and dams are made by man. Dam is a barrier built across to river to stop or check the flow of water. Dams are built to store water. Flooding can also be prevented by building dams. A bridge is a structure built across a river, road, railway track so that people can go from one side to other. Bridges and other structures are built from iron and steel. Factory is a building, a group of buildings where things are manufactured. Garden is a piece of ground where flowers and vegetables are grown. Children, man-made objects, we can see books we use, clothes, toys, shoes, decks and that you use every day. Children, you can see road, railway, national park, aeroplanes, building, monuments that is made by man. Dam, you can see dam and flooding that is prevented by building dams. You can see in this picture factories, garden, building, dam, factories, oceans, seas. In this picture you can see these are natural resources. Hills, forests are the natural resources. In this picture you can see different types of natural resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Plants, animals are renewable resources. Minerals, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. Plants, animals are natural resources, and minerals, types of natural resources you can see: sun, forest, vegetation, soils, animals, minerals, water. They are types of natural resources. In this picture you can see sun, forest, rock, minerals, animals, air, oil, water, soil are natural resources. Renewable resources, there are two type of natural resources: plants and animals, and mineral, fossil fuel, soils are non-renewable resources. Living thing and non-living thing. In this non-living thing resources: air, water, rock, soil. They are non-living. Air, water, soil, sand, rock. Man-made thing: table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car. House, fan, chair, computer, bag, clothes are man-made thing. Railway station is made by man-made. Monuments also are made by man-made. Aeroplane also made by man-made. This is a picture of aeroplane. It is made by man-made. Factories also are made by man-made. Garden we can see where their children play. Garden is also made. Garden is a natural. Subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video.